ఫేస్బుక్ వేస్తానంటే నీ అంకమ్మ చిన్న బాధేస్తుంది నీ అంకమ్మ ఫేస్బుక్ వేసామంటే నీ అంకమ్మ మీద సిరిగిపోతుంది ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನು
ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಲೈತಪ್ಪ ನೀವು
ನಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮು ಲೈಫ್ ಫುಲ್ಲ ರಿವರ್ಸ್
ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗಿನ
ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಾಟೆ ಇರ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಬಾಟೆ
ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
తీసుకో ఎనకే కడిగారు కూడా ఓకే ఓకే సార్ ఓಕೆ ಸರ್
And please all thanks to HR, present to her.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, only 100 people also.
Everyone.
After all.
Everyone means everyone.
order. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಯಿಬಾಬಾ ಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಯಿಬಾಬಾ ಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬರುವೆ ಸರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಡಾನ್ಸ್
ಅದರ ಪೂಜಾರಿ
ರಾತ್ರಿ
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಬೇಡ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹುಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಕಿರಣ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ
ಕಿರಣ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ಚಿದಂಬರಂ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
और चिदम्बर वन मोर गए हाँ श्रीनिवास ये तीनों का हट गया जरा वो डिप्लोमा कंप्लीट क्या करने का डिप्लोमा कोर्स अप्लाई करो डिस्टेंस एजुकेशन करो खत्म करो ये आदमी and he was so really badly hit. He came and saw सर मेरा सामने 7 आता क्या 7 था क्या
10,500, 8,500. 9,850.
Now he is happy, little bit somewhat happy. And we are going to have some kind of wind up in next coming days in Bangalore, where we have some associations. High temperature, high temperature, we are unable to beat Gujarat.
Sir, ಬಹುಮಾನಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್ ತಲೆ ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ ಸರ್
No, our tendency is more, our tendency is more, our towers are more, but we are not good in deliveries to the corporate.
ಅಂತ ಮೇಲಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Delivery, but it's not up to the mark of someone's headache, right?
అంటే వాడెక్కడ్రా ఈ అల్లుడు
We have lot of trainings going on.
జయరామా
జయరాము
We should utilize those
జయరాము
trainings.
రాలేడా
And if you have any ideas in your mind, improve your network.
ఇవ్వు కావండి
For example, I want to tell about Mr. Shivakumar Mamane.
సార్ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ మై పట్టి
You may have a session with him so that you can gather what maybe Saturday or virtual fortnight, what is his good abilities to maintain his skills. Probably he may tell what and all he is putting the best effort. Maybe a mind will be there. You will understand. That will help us, everyone, to also Mr. Prabhu Huli. He is also much more competent like him. There are no issues in his side. We should feel that. Then only we can ask the management that maybe you do more to my team. You know, only good. And with respect to in-house, our Jackie Chan has done a very good job. Right? And his team and his portrait are struggling a lot in Ballari. Excellent job done. And one thing about Santosh, really he is very active and